Hey, what's up, guys? A lot of you guys have been having trouble with when you do the first aid, verify disk permissions, repair disk, verify disk, repair disk, all that good stuff. You'll get an error saying that there was some errors found and you weren't able to, it wasn't able to fix them. Well, that's because it's on, most of the time, as far as I know, it's only because it's on the main hard drive. So to actually have it go on and do the main drive, you need to boot it up on the operating system drives that came with your system. So I'm going to do this quick video to show you guys how to do it, because there's been a lot of questions. I'm just doing it on my iPhone, so yes, it's terrible quality and everything, but for those of you that need to know. So basically, pull out your everything else pack thing and look for the disk that's not that disk. Look for your 15-inch MacBook Pro, for me anyways. It'll say whatever computer and then Mac OS X install DVD. So pull that out. Put it in your computer. This only works if you have a disk drive. If you're with older computer models, of course. Same type of idea with the ones like the new MacBook Airs and new MacBook Pros. But you just have to use a wireless or a Wi-Fi drive. So it's going to pull up here. And basically close everything down. Go up and restart your computer. Now when you restart your computer, you're going to hold down the option button, which is right here. So restart. When the screen goes black, when you hear the ding, hold down the option button. It doesn't work every time. If it doesn't, you can just redo it and you can get it to work the second time. Here you go. It pulls up all the hard drives that are connected. So it's got Macintosh HD and a Mac OS X install DVD. So arrow over or click on it on the Mac OS install DVD. Now bear in mind that this is going to run extremely slow because it's running the entire computer off of the CD-ROM drive. So it can be lagged. Yeah, I decided to do this video really quick because I'm just about to sell my 15-inch MacBook Pro. Went and got one of the brand new MacBook Airs, which is amazing. And of course I'm doing this real time because I don't plan on editing or anything. I just haven't had enough time to sit down and make a proper video in a while. You can probably hear it working. Okay. Now this is also the way that you can reformat the hard drive. If you have huge problems, just copy all your files over to an external drive and you can go into disk utility and reformat the hard drive right from within here. First thing you'll see is what language. Hit next, and when you hit next, if it works right, this is Mac OS X Snow Leopard. It's going to work differently if you have Lion or Mountain Lion. Actually, I don't even know if they have discs for those anymore. and boom. Once you get through the English or whatever language screen, all of a sudden you get a taskbar. Go up to Utilities, Disk Utility. This is the same disk utility you use on Mac OS X. It's going to run a lot slower, but it is the same disk utility. And this is why, since the hard drive is actually unmounted, because it's running the operating system off the install disks, this is where you can actually click on this drive, which you can't do when you're in Mac OS X, and completely erase the drive and reformat it. Or do first aid. I'm not going to do it now because I just reformatted it, so it will be fine. But from here you can verify disk, repair disk, both the permissions, and just verify and repair the disk. And when you're done, click out of there, and you can, if you're reformatted, you can continue to install Mac OS X, or you can just go up to the Apple, or go up to Mac OS X installer, quit Mac OS X installer. Basically, that thing was just selecting a startup disk. So you just hit restart. And it starts back up in Mac OS. Unless you hold down the Option key, and then you can select which drive you want to start up from. So anyways, hope the tutorial was helpful and that the video was not too boring to watch. It was in real time. I don't have time to edit it. So anyways, thanks a lot, guys, and if you have any questions, comment below. And if anybody has any insight on this, I have a full-time job and it's very rare I can get back and post comments. So if you know what the answer is, go for it. Anyways, thanks, guys. See ya.